Hey, it's Dino here from Gardeners HQ. The bigleaf hydrangea is also known as mophead hydrangea or Hydrangea and is thought by many to be a true garden gem. Known scientifically as Hydrangea macrophylla, this plant has large vibrant blooms that can bring a burst of colour to any landscape. This flowering shrub is a favourite among gardeners for its ability to make a dramatic statement and can be used as a standalone centrepiece or part of a mixed border. Hydrangea macrophylla has a height and spread of 3 to 6 feet and thus commands attention in the garden. Its most captivating feature is its flowers. These range in colour from deep blues to pinks and purples. The colour is influenced by the soil's pH level. This unique trait allows gardeners to adjust soil and play with colour, creating a personalised garden experience. Thriving in USDA zones 6 to 9 and RHS hardiness rating of H5, making it a resilient choice for many gardens. This hydrangea prefers morning sun and afternoon shade. Protect from intense afternoon sun in hotter climates. It prospers in a consistently moist soil that has good drainage, so provide regular watering to maintain a lush appearance. In conclusion, the bigleaf hydrangea's lush foliage and spectacular blooms offer an enchanting visual treat. Its easy care nature and adaptable growth habit make it an excellent choice for gardeners seeking both beauty and functionality. Thank you for your time. For more growing guides, be sure to subscribe to Gardeners HQ.